Here's an update on the 68 Chevelle progress. I've got the new frame. It's been sandblasted. I painted it. Painted the inside with Eastwood's coating system. Very good stuff, very messy stuff. Got control arm bushings, Energy. Suspension components is the bushing brand. OPG body bushings. I got disc brakes set up from a 69 Chevelle. All inline tube brake and fuel lines. Fuel lines have already been installed, brake lines haven't. Floor pans, I haven't done them yet. I picked up a set of 68 bucket seats and center console. I think it come from a 70, I'm not sure. I haven't done much sanding on this side. Got rust there. And I've got rust here. I ordered patch panels from beltingspeed.com. They've got great reviews. All this was hidden with fiberglass. Window track's in pretty good shape. I'll have to clean it up. Had this quarter sanded to bare metal. That's the only rust I found on the wheel well. I ordered a patch panel from OPG. It wasn't worth the... So I'm sending that back. That's where she stands right now. I tried to get the window out. I didn't get all the glue off apparently. I'll keep you updated.